Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Caribbean inspired prawn curry. First I'm going to be seasoning my prawns, starting out with half a teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and 1 teaspoon of Jamaican green seasoning, but you can substitute with some garlic and ginger paste. Give this a good mix, and then you can leave this to the side to get ready to add this to the pan. So I'm spritzing my pan with some oil. I didn't want to use too much oil, that's why I'm using the spray bottle instead. I cook my prawns on each side for 3 minutes and then place them aside. In the same pan, I add 1 tablespoon of oil, half a red bell pepper, 1 small purple onion, then you can add in some thyme. Be sure not to use too much thyme. I've got quite a bit of thyme here. I want you to use 1 to 2 sprigs, otherwise you might spoil the dish as thyme can be bitter when overused. And then I have 1 chopped garlic clove, followed by some fresh turmeric. You don't have to use fresh turmeric, you can just use half a teaspoon of dried. Then I have 2 small sweet potatoes peeled and chopped, 1 teaspoon of Jamaican curry powder, followed by half a stock cube crumbled. Then I rinse out the seasoning bowl and just add some water and add this to the pot, followed by 200 milliliters of coconut milk, and top up the pot with water. Add in 1 Scotch bonnet. You can substitute with chili if you find Scotch bonnet too hot. I cooked and simmered the mixture for about 45 minutes. Yes, 45 minutes. Then I added in 200 milliliters of double cream. Buy some fresh spinach. We always have spinach in the fridge. We buy it with no intention and then it goes off, so I'm going to use it. Give this a good mix for about 1 to 2 minutes. You'll see the spinach will disappear. Then you can add in your prawns and add in some lemon juice. The lemon juice helps to balance the flavors. I've got 3 tablespoons of lemon juice there. This is the final product. I had this with some white rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.